be about the next 3 days that we spent in Jejudo. We've been to Jejudo before, so we didn't really do too much of the touristy things. I think we try to focus on activities that our kids probably would enjoy, and we couldn't fit too many activities in one day because of them, but we still were able to do quite a few things. The second day we ended up renting a car, and we had a very late start to the day. We had a very slow morning, ate breakfast at the hotel, and we went out to eat a late lunch at a restaurant. How much was it to rent a car per day? Do you remember? Was it like 100 a day or something? But it was very worth it to have a car because the kids could sleep in the car, and public transportation is kind of sparse. The restaurant we went to was very popular for silver hairtail or ungalchi, which is a popular fish that you can taste in Jejudo, and seaweed soup, all of which my kids love, and they also sell some raw fish as well. But yeah, that's just what we ate, and the different types of fish included grilled jade fish, mackerel fish, silver hairtail, and sea urchin seaweed soup, and the meontang. Next, we went to a green tea museum named Osolok. Honestly, this place was way too crowded and wasn't the best place for children because the indoor spaces were very crowded and there wasn't enough place for the kids to kind of sit down and rest. The outdoor areas were really spacious and open and pretty, but in the winter time, probably not the best idea. We didn't stay here for too long, and we ended up visiting another aerospace museum that was right next door. Oh, this is a popular picture area. This is all green tea, so we made sure we left some photos. The Jeju Aerospace Museum was perfect for my 2 toddlers because there are a lot of play area. They can just run around and it's safe. There are 2 admission fees to enter the playground area, but it was worth it. It wasn't too expensive, maybe an additional $5 per kid or something like that. And then the museum itself has multiple floors with lots of hands-on activities, so I would strongly recommend to get there a little early. We were in the last hour or so, but it was still worth it. The highlight of the day was going to the cafe on the 4th floor, where we recharged our caffeine and hot chocolate for the kids. It's a popular Instagrammable place, a lot of photos you can take with the family, so definitely took advantage of that. We had a late start to the morning again, so we decided to eat breakfast at the hotel, and then on our way to our next destination, grab some coffee. Larva Island was a must-visit destination for us in Jejudo because our children love watching the Larva show on Netflix. We chose the big 3 ticket option for admission, and that was perfect for us because kids could not last longer than 3 rides anyways. The park had a huge playground area for toddlers, and we spent at least a good 30 minutes here because there's a lot to do even for my almost 2-year-old. But really, I think it was more appropriate for kids 3 and above. Everything was outdoors, so that's the caveat during the winter times. But the day we went was pretty warm, so it wasn't too bad. They could entertain themselves, but a lot of times I felt like I had to be part of the play too because they love playing with their parents. So yes, I did have to play together. It was fun and tiring, like you can tell on the videos. We were able to ride the Ferris wheel, which was the highlight. They let my almost 2-year-old ride it too. I think they have height limitations. Yeah. We ended our visit with watching characters teaching the children dance routines, and they were mesmerized. We went to eat lunch at a restaurant called Hidden Cliff. It is located at another resort in the south side of Jejudo. We really liked it because the view was amazing, and there was a DJ playing even during the day, which I thought was pretty unique. And I don't know if it's the most child-friendly place, but at least it was in the outdoors and there was a lot of room for the kids to run around, so that's good. We enjoyed our squid ink pizza and garlic-based spaghetti. It's delicious. The kids loved it, and we were able to kill it all. Another perk is they have a gift shop right next to the restaurant, so that was fun. Next, we went to a theme park called Father's Garden, and they were famous for being able to feed animals and pick oranges, which is a popular activity in Jejudo, as oranges in Jejudo were known to be much sweeter. And you can also see pretty flowers called camellias, which peaks in the winter time. It was great having all 3 popular activities in one place, so it reduces travel time for families with kids. You could purchase carrots and milk to feed the animals, which my 4-year-old really enjoyed, but my youngest was definitely scared. You can purchase the vegetables and milk separately once you're inside, and there's no shopkeeper. Everything is sort of based on an honor code, so you buy what you need and then you return the tools and cups and bottles once you're done with them right next to the fence. If you see, there's a little basket. There were quite a few hungry alpacas, and they were very enthusiastic about being fed, and they are not scared of humans for sure. I definitely got scared at one point.
You have to hold on tight. Hold on tight. I do it together. 우와, 잘 먹는다, 그치? 이야, 찬이는 관심이 없다. 와, 진짜 잘 먹는다, 그치, 준이야? 배고팠나 봐. 우와, 엄청 잘해.
많다. Yeah.
The orange field was not too far from the farm, and basically they give you a bag and you can pick however many oranges that fits the bag. You can also freely eat however much orange you want to at the spot. The tools are kind of sharp, so you have to be a little careful with the kids, but my 4-year-old was able to do it without too much problems.
Here, this one's good.
And he really started to enjoy it afterwards.
There. You see it, Junia? Yeah, cut it. 1, 2, 3, sing it. Whoa, you got 2. Good job.
You did see that I did it.
Yeah, you did. How many more do you want to do, Junia? Now we can go.
Nothing. Very, very lot.
Here, try this one.
Why are there so many shoes?
That's Cruel World. Oh, it's too high. Let's do this one.
Our youngest one passed out by the end of the day, so Daddy wanted to pick on an orange himself, so I try to be the extra hand to help him accomplish his goal.
Okay.
But let's
What else?
go.
Here, put it in there. Put it in the bag.
Let's go.
Junya,
Okay, last one more after this one. Just one more, okay, Jeannie?
it reminds me of when we went apple picking in Shores.
That should be good. Look at that.
One more.
Cool. One more.
Yeah, one more.
We made sure that we saw the camellia garden, which was a little smaller than expected, but it was still worth it. We made sure we took our photos. And then we also dropped by the cafe
No,
to
it's a video, Junya. It's a
get
video.
some teas
Gaza,
and
gaza, gaza,
warm
gaza.
ourselves up. And there are a lot of Instagrammable spots in this garden as well. So
Oh, it's
we
good.
took a lot of photos at the end. On our last day in Jejudo, we stayed at the hotel and enjoyed their outdoor pool. It was nice for the family because the pool itself was heated. Actually, it was really hot, but perfect for the winter temperature. The hotel even lets you rent life vests. After checking out from the hotel, we went to a nearby cafe to enjoy some dessert. Enjoyed the last view of the ocean. Then at the airport, we heard about this famous biscuit that they only sell at Paris Baguette. So we got in line, but they don't always offer it. There are certain times when you can wait for it, so look out for those times. It was worth the wait, I would say. You should try it at the airport next time.